Hello everyone. This is just an extension video to the calculating area of a triangle using trigonometry video that I've already done. And what this will do is just sort of pose the question in a slightly different way. This time we'll give you the area, and what you need to do is work backwards and calculate what the missing angle is. So you can see in this example, we're telling you that the area of the triangle is 75 centimeters squared, and we have to calculate the size of angle STR, which is this angle here. So that's fine. We need to think about what information we have. Consider the triangle as well is labelled up RS and T, so it makes that side R, side S, and side T. And we know we've got an area of 75 centimeters squared. So if we go to our area of triangle formula, this would be a half RS sine T. All right, two sides, the angle in between them, and we can calculate an area. So that area is a half. In fact, that's not an area. That area is 75. 75 equals a half times 16 times 14 times the sine of t. So this is going to let us set up an equation here, and we're going to use our sort of changing the subject equation solving skills to help us calculate what sine t is. Now before I do that, what I'm going to do is just tidy up my equation a little bit. Now I can work out what a half of 16 times 14 is. I'll just run that through the calculator. And what we get is 75 equals 112 times sine t. Well, that must mean that sine t is equal to 75 divided by 112. Okay, now if you were to actually look at what the decimal for 75 over 112 is, and it is 0.6696, so it's roughly 0.67, then it's not really, that's not an angle. You know, that you wouldn't have an angle, you know, it's quite clear there that the angle at T can't be 0.67 degrees. And the reason is, what you know is the sine of T. So remember from earlier work you've done in trigonometry that you can take the sine of any angle and get a value. And the sine of this angle produces 0.67 approximately, or 75 over 112 exactly. So in order to convert that back to an angle, we must take the inverse sine of 75 over 112. And that gives you an answer of 42 degrees. Happy days. So there's a question I wanted to try. There's only one in the textbook that I do want you to try, and that is, it's in the same exercise. It's exercise 18.1. I want you to try question 9 this time. Okay. These sorts of questions can come up, and we'll do a bit more of these, maybe more toward the end of the unit. Okay, but it's quite a useful thing just to get an appreciation of just now. Okay, the next video that we do, we're going to have a wee look at the sine rule, and we're going to get that introduced and look at how we use it to calculate a missing side. Thank you very much.